Siman. Welcome to the opening of this sleep lab. Actually, this is the first sleep lab here in Mandaue City, right?
Paano Dok na duha na ta.
The first one was
Sa
Fuente or
nanasan sila
sa
dito.
Mandaue. So we're the second in Mandaue City.
Okay.
So having a sleep lab actually is a game changer, at the same time a lifesaver, no? Because as you know, this is for sleep disorder, and it comes in many forms. So it could be just insomnia, sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is it's a cessation of breathing while sleeping. So even snoring actually is a disorder. When undiagnosed and untreated, it can increase the risk of other diseases like hypertension, cardiac disease, and at the same time, the daily activities of the patient is also affected. No? So when he wakes up,
Magluya.
he has this headache and sleepiness. No, so that's why we've heard of people driving, then suddenly they sleep while driving, so they have accidents. So this actually this sleep lab will actually diagnose at the same time treat sleep disorder. So that's it.
So explain sleep disorder mo sa dili kay katug or so pila ba ka oras ang imong kinatulugan sa kagabi, Dok?
Supposed to be 8 hours is the ideal. The ideal. Actually, if you look at the statistics, the Philippines actually is number one in terms of sleep deprived nation. We are actually number one in Southeast Asia. If you look at it globally, worldwide, we are actually the fourth nation that's having this sleep deprived disorder. So you can just imagine the effect on our people.
What are some of the reasons why there is some kind of a sleep deprivation?
Sleep deprivation.
What are the causes why we don't sleep?
Dili katug.
Yeah, work related, or maybe insomnia. Probably you can explain that.
So there are patients na ang ilang airway, gianan sa hangin gamay. So that is exaggerated when we sleep. So kung gamay na daan, and then when they sleep, musamot siya kagamay, that's the time they hear snoring, no? Kailan na may sound. So actually one of the triggers that we have to investigate is a very, very loud snoring. And then kana siya gamay ang airway. Ang uban, ang ilahang apapangid, the mandible, the lower mandible is small. Yes, anatomical. So meaning ang tongue is normal but ang apapangid is small, so ma-push back. So ang agianan sa hangin is also gamay, so mutingog sad, no? So what happens when they are sleeping, the entry sa air, no, ang pagsulod sa air into the lungs is kanang obstructed, so that eventually it closes and it drops the oxygen in the blood. So that eventually some of the patients i-describe sa ilang family as muundang o ginhawa. And then after that, murag masudipan kay pukawon sila sa ilang brain nga oy. And these are the times that are very crucial because maumani siya nga times na mag-heart attack sila, mag-stroke sila. And also, you have patients na, oh grabe, you have slept for 12 hours and that you still feel sleepy in the day. Magbasa lang og newspaper, tulog na. Stop lang mo og storya, tulog na. So, some kanang gitawag natong BMI, no, tag-as og BMI, what that is body mass index, no. So ang ilahang weight for their height is dako. So that's why ang uban, if they rapidly acquire the weight, sahay uy man ni siya mohagok sa una, Dok, but mohagok naman karon. So mao na siya atong mga patients nga gipangita. In children, kaning dagko kaayo og tonsils, or children nga some described as very hyperactive, Dok, wala jay focus sa school. permi siyang kulelat sa stool, some of them actually have sleep disturbances. And then we can address that early rather than malabel as doing not good in school, ingonana pa. So, these are the things that we want to address. So, kato akong ginon ganina, equally as important as wakefulness health is also our sleeping health.
Og dili ma-cure, unsay mahimong implication?
Mention the long-term effect. Ito na ay higher risk of heart disease.
Og ma-stroke.
Yes.
Oh. Kana mamatay sa
Mamatay sa tulo.
Sa tulo.
Yes,
Oh.
mag-irregular og beat sa heart. Yes, mauna sila sir, mga undiagnosed
The
na
apnea,
sila.
the cessation could be just pila ka
Pila ka
seconds, it
seconds.
could be minutes, ganito.
Yes.
What's the longest?
Some of our patients in study na mo, they can stop breathing for 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Kung kita lang biya, if we do it while awake, we cannot usually stop unless katod yung mga naay hangin, no? But some of them actually stop breathing for mga 3 minutes and then the oxygen drops and that's the time irritably ang heart, mag-heart attack, irritably ang brain, mag-stroke. So mauna siya ang atong mga ganahan i-address. Kung kaning mga high blood nga upat na lang katambal, dili jud man na og ang ka-high blood. Ang uban di ay is because undiagnosed na ay sleep disordered breathing.
So what do we expect here at the health center? Sleep, health, and wellness center.
Diagnostic, no?
Diagnostic.
Diagnose your sleep disorder and at the same time therapeutic, so we can treat it. No? So using a device, no, katong the
The
CPAP,
one
no?
there.
It's like a
Kana siya.
Yes, that's one of the devices that
that can, push air or oxygen inside. And then snoring, actually it will help
mawala.
ang snoring.
Mawala sa snoring.
Yeah, it's very annoying, especially to your partners. So katug na mo partner, duha na mo makatug.
Actually, yes.
So pasyente dok mo higda diri
Yeah,
og
mo higda
pila
siya.
ka hours.
Overnight
Overnight yun.
And then there's a monitoring.
So na 12 hours?
Depende
Ano?
sa iyahan
Depende.
sleeping cycle. Iyahan yung sleeping cycle niya. That's why it is designed to look like a home instead of a hospital to give them an idea nga mas conducive siya. No?
Da patient alone lang nga mo higda diri.
Oo,
Pwedeng ubanan.
Ideally, pwedeng ubanan kung pananglitan anad nga naadyoy ka uban.
Bana asawa or uyab pwede.
Yeah,
Oh.
tana-tana.
Dili lahi ra sa.
Monitored man ni siya, attended
Oo.
sleep studies, no?
So na yung mga gadgets na pag-attach.
Ipang-attach.
Ang snoring ba, Doc, is really a isang ka ng unhealthy?
No, not all snoring is unhealthy, but if it is associated with drop in oxygen, no, or associated with cessation, mawala ang pagginhawa, then that's the time.
Kana snoring nga hadlok bitaw paminahon dok nga murag
Yes, murag baruto nya to the point na ang mga asawa mo ingon nga ilang ipatulog ang bana sa laing kwarto kay para sa kasaba, tungod sa kasaba.
nya mukalit og hunong unya mo.
Yes sir, kana nya murag
Bili-
masudipan,
Oh.
nya mobalik na sa
Kuyaw na siya dok.
Sleep
Mao na
apnea,
siya.
dili.
Mao na
okay.
siya.
Non-stop, no?
So sleeping disorder gihapon na
Yes.
siya.
Muna siya sleep
medical term na
apnea.
apnea. Cessation of walay breathing.
So kay santanan nga mga questions on ill sleep health can be cured.
Apparently yes.
Oh,
No,
okay.
some temporarily with the machine. So depende sa reason. So if the reason is the heavy weight, then they just have to lose the weight healthy in a healthy manner. Some if katong gamay, then surgical. So if there is and katong tonsils nga dako, if magatangtang ang tonsils, no? So they can be addressed, pero dili lang siya like in an instant. When they wake up, it's okay. So muna the machine there, it serves to kanabang mo bridge lang sa while we are going to the kanang treatment na definitive.
Is food a factor in also in ill sleep health?
Food.
Our diet or the kind of food that we eat ba?
In terms of
Intake.
acquiring the weight, siguro yes, but
okay.
directly nga ini katulog dili raman. There are some foods nga that will help us sleep.
Ang coffee ko no dili maka tinuod na di ta katulog.
Depende na sa depende sa tolerance na siya, sir. Kanay uban dili jud katulog. Pero nadyo uban maduka na.
Pero too much of coffee siguro, no? Oh.
Yes, there's a limit to everything man.
So kining 24 hours mahimong adlawan, mahimong gabi ang pasyente.
She
Yes,
mentioned
sir.
kung
Oo.
day ang iyang kuan ba?
Lahi ang iyang sleep cycle, sir.
Oo.
Pwede na dyan. Kung mo'y lang adok, tigkatug kung bunta, kay trabaho magod ko sa gabi, then we
Oo.
will cater to that. Kay anad man siya nga iyang trabaho sa gabi. So, di na ta ka-expect na makatulog
Oo.
siya ang gabi. So, if we have personnel available for that, we will cater to that.
How much mo po, Dok?
Wala, pila og oh.
We have very competitive. Lower. We are,
than
as
the
far as I
other-
know, we have the lowest in Cebu.
Mamag yun na yung
Yes.
sa UCMed na
Oh.
Pwede siya for HMO insurance.
Yes.
HMO.
HMO. Yes.
And PhilHealth.
If they are admitted, yes, PhilHealth. But as of now, whether for outpatient or
Outpatient.
pa.
Hmm.
So if we come here pala, you'll be diagnosed and then you'll be given medicine and then you can just...
Yes.
Yeah.
We will be
Oh.
given, they will be
Okay.
given prescription for, actually the prescription
I see.
will come in the form of sa machine, no? Nga mga, unsay tawag, ani machine nga settings. And then we will recommend or we will give someone to attend to unsa pagpili sa machine, no? Nga after sales care is always important.
Diagnose and then therapeutic, no? So,
I
meaning,
see, okay.
trial sila atong mga gadget kung sa maayo para nila dahil mo na ilang gamiton sa balay.
I see. Okay.
Oh.
Pila ang capacity sa room?
As of now,
Kini-
one at a time.
Usa pa lang ni kini lang.
Yes.
Oh. Og bata siya, maura grade sa adult.
Yes.
Okay.
Kaya more man ang mga machines and ganan.
So nagsugod na ni og operate doc.
We have had some
I think we tried 8 patients. Actually, mga doctors yung ganit din.
Oh.
Pinatoy ni Pasiti.
Dagan kaayo.
Oh.
Dagan kaayo.
But the machines, we buy it here also.
No, dili ra, pero we can forward you to someone if walay nahibalaan nga supplier that we can recommend for that. Yes.
It doesn't mean na tanan maligpamitan o katong
Machine.
Machine.
naman siya na just, change your lifestyle.
Okay, therapeutic pa mo, di ba? Diagnostic.
So at the same time, na ay somebody here who can really give them instructions, advice,
Holistic ang care.
holistic, really like this.
Nagkalain.
Mo serve so for dili doc dili na.
Hotel na.
Hotel na siya.
Di mura mag
Pero breakfast, di ba?
Oh, I think so. Kay
Oh.
mata nila.
Mata nila.
Okay.
Pwede na siya.